Yo, what's good guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to edit AI text stories. This is a great niche. It brings in crazy amounts of views, which in turn brings in crazy amounts of money. If you're thinking about posting something to YouTube, that works too. I actually got this 100,000 subscriber back from posting these AI text stories. I'm going to show you what they look like now too. So it's kind of easy, right? I'm going to get the camera out of the way if you guys can see. Yeah.
Do you like roses?
I'm not answering that.
Why?
I'm not interested.
It's not what you think.
Yes, it is. You asked about my favorite flowers. Order a bouquet to my office. I adore the big romantic gesture, and I finally go out with you. Sound about right?
You have it all wrong.
No, I don't want to date you, and I...
Yeah, you guys get the point, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to start out inside this website here. It's called ifaketextmessage.com, right? I'm going to put it in the description of this video too. And what you do is, I'll head back over to the home page. What you do is you put your name, so a name here, so it could be anything like mom or dad or whatever, right? Then you set your text messages, right? I'm going to start off with son, why is there a sock under your bed? Just something funny, right? You want to keep them funny and engaging. You want a good hook and you want to add a plot twist in the middle. I'm going to teach you guys the simple stuff and you guys can go from there. So we add another text messages. We're going to do a blue one because it's the reply to the initial one. And we're going to put, don't touch that, you smelly bitch. Kind of fucked, but this is what it is, right? Then you can change your battery, connection, settings, like time, all of that. I don't really want to do that. It's not needed, but if you guys need to do it, it's all there. Press create image, and then you download the image. I've already downloaded it, so we're all good on that front. Then you want to head over to Eleven Labs, and you want to go to the text to speech. If it's a girl voice, you choose a girl voice. If it's a male voice, you choose a male voice. We put in our script and our text in here. So for the male voice, I have don't touch that, you smelly bitch, this is the son. If it was the man, if it was the mom, sorry, select the female voice and just put son, what's that sock under your bed? And then we press generate speech.
Son, what's that sock under your bed?
As you can see, there you go. We've got speech generated.
Son, what's that sock under your bed?
Okay, cool. Now we've downloaded everything. We're going to head over to Premiere Pro. Obviously make your sequence 1080 by 1920. And then we're going to start off, right? So I have my text messages here. I have my voices here. Right? And now all I need is my gameplay. So I'm just going to grab my gameplay, drag that in. This is just some gameplay that I got from YouTube. I'm just going to separate the audio by pressing Control L. And then I'm going to cut a bit into the gameplay, so it goes in when it starts. I'm going to head over to my effect controls. I'm going to scale that up to around 180. Now I'm going to scale my text story up just a little bit. Okay, cool. I'm going to sort out my Eleven Labs recordings here, just to make sure that they're in order.
Don't touch that, you smelly bitch.
Son, what is that under your bed?
Okay, cool. All I need to do is switch these around, and we should be good to go. I'm going to actually turn the volume up on this one a little bit.
Son, what is that under your bed?
Don't touch that, you smelly bitch.
Cool. I'm going to get rid of all the excess. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our effects tab, and we're actually going to create the effect of it dropping down, right? So we're going to search for the crop tool. It should be under transform and video effects. We're just going to drag and drop that onto the iPhone screenshot of it. We're going to choose our bottom or your top. It's completely up to you, right? I just go with bottom, it's a lot easier. And then I'm going to just do that, right? I'm going to drag it till it only shows the text that's being said.
Son, what is that under your bed?
Okay, now you go to just before the next speech. You go over to your click on your iPhone screenshot. Click the little keyframe mark here, the little stopwatch. Then you want to go forward a couple frames. You can do that by pressing the right key on your keyboard. And right before he starts speaking, we're gonna change the value here just to show what they're about to say, right? Ooh, I've done that a little too. There we go. Cool. And that's pretty much it, right? Now I'm going to play it through and I'll show you.
Son, what is that under your bed?
Don't touch that, you smelly bitch.
Then you do that over and over and over till your video hits 1 minute and your story is finished. That's pretty much it. It's how simple it is to make these text stories, right? I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I like to use as well, right? This is just on the gameplay to make the gameplay more vivid and pop, right? We're going to go to our project here. We're going to press this little sticky note here that says new item. We're going to press new item and get an adjustment there. We want to make sure it's the same width, height, frame rate, everything. And then we're going to drag it in between the iPhone screenshot and the parkour. So it's on top of this parkour, but it doesn't affect the iPhone screenshot. Click it to size. And then you want to head over to your effects panel. You want to search for sharpen. Then you drag on sharpen and unsharp mask. So you drag that one and drag that one. Right? Sharpen amount, I like to do 40. Amount, unsharp, 40, and then radius 80. And as you can see, it's just made it pop that little bit more, right? See, you can see that. Made it pop that little bit more. Make the game
Smelly
nicer.
bitch.
You can do this for like all your videos, or you can do it for none of your videos. It's completely up to you. But yeah, I hope that helps you guys. Let me know if there's anything else, like any other tutorials you want me to make. But yeah,